Yo, yo, big up, this is I Kill from the J5 MCs. Giving a big shout out to my man, DJ Utaka. You know what I'm saying? Japan in effect, United Nations. It's going down like this. Yo, I'll be in it to win it so that the real niggas spin it. Fuck prime time when I rhyme. If they ain't with it, I'm committed to this rap shit, nigga. I want the classic. 5 mics will be just right, cause I'm Jurassic. Mr. Automatic, yeah, I'm dope on plastic. Freestyle fanatic, flip the funky fantastic. Vocabulary necessary to spark that intellect, nigga. Feel my powerful impact. Ease back, my Japanese tea, relax, rap, get dap and put it down all over the map. Cause MCs around the world, it's time to face back. It wouldn't be no rap without the DJ in the back. If you's a real MC like you claim to be, now with the art of b-boy and graffiti, all elements combined in unity. Hip-hop, you can't stop what was meant to be. It's all about that hip-hop till the casket drop. My universal flows keep my rhythm flow locked. Rock, non-stop till the casket drop. With that hip-hop with DJ Utah. We got that hip-hop till the casket drop. My universal flows keep my rhythm flow locked. Rock, non-stop till the casket drop. With that hip-hop with DJ Utah. Yeah, my DJs is known to get down, mixing, scratching, cutting the sound, spin the record around, amazing the sound. What is a DJ if he can't throw down and make the record repeat? Manual digital delay, keep the record on beat to make the party people pay attention to this. Mix without the hiss. To be a DJ, you got to flex your wrists and throw on the dope shit to make them clap to this. Ichiban hip-hop activist, street poetry, rhyme evangelist. I love it when my lyrics hug the beat like this. I done seen a lot of places, mixed race relations, many different faces, but still it's one nation. On the move, get behind the groove, show and prove. DJ Utaka, give it up or turn it loose. Hip-hop till the casket drop. My universal flows keep my rhythm flow locked. Rock, non-stop till the casket drop. With that hip-hop with DJ Utah. We got that hip-hop till the casket drop. My universal flows keep my rhythm flow locked. Rock, non-stop till the casket drop. With that hip-hop with DJ Utah. Yo, don't stop. Yo, big up to DJ Utah. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Going out to my man, yo, all the way from Los Angeles to Japan. Yo, hand in hand, you know what I'm saying? Right. We expand, you know what I'm saying? Jay, put it down like that, J5 MCs. I Kill representing.